Hello, this is my new spade. It's forged in India. It has 1.45 kilograms, and I will try to make to sharp. So let's try to fix it. It's new. Okay, so you'll need something like this if you don't want to waste time. If you have time, you can buy only one of these with sandpapers, and it's enough. This is for have this is for a better time. I think it's enough. And that's all. Oh, I could do better. You don't want a very large edge because it will bend or it will broke when you hit some rocks. So this is kind of good. It's not very good. It's not done. Well, you get the idea. You want an edge here, and you also can this is sharpen. You have to stick it in the ground. Like this. And it's better to put something here to hold, like a screw or maybe a nail. If you have a drill, you can drill a hole, and after that you can screw it with your cordless drill. But I show you without many tools, only an angle grinder. Yes, this is it. Hope it works. Now, before using, I recommend you to use something like WD-40 because the water will not stick on it. And hope it works well. So this is it. Let me take it. It's not ready. I could sharpen a little more, see, to have a better edge, but this will work. I believe it work. If not, you can edge it a little more. So this is my trees which are waiting for planting. And let me show you why I did choose this one, which is forge, because yesterday I broke two of these. This one is not broke only here, but this one it's also broke here. If you can see here, see, you can see it bended, so it sucks. I think I will fix it. Maybe I'll put something here also. I will put something here, a metal, and maybe I can use it after that. I will fix it. I think this is birch. I'm too strong. You can put something, some oil on the handle, but it's okay. It's a little off, but it's okay because I'm right-handed. We'll see. Bye bye, see you next with the next video or something else from homesteading tools. Easy to do at home. So VD40 and that's all for today. Bye bye.